Hidden deep in the heart of North Bali lies a natural masterpiece that feels like it belongs in a dream. This is Sekumpul Waterfall. Known as one of Bali's most stunning waterfalls, this majestic spot combines adventure, beauty, and a sense of wonder you won't find anywhere else. In this video, we'll take you on a complete guide to Sekumpul, covering everything you need to know to make your trip unforgettable. From its location and how to get there, to entry fees, what to see and do, the best time to visit, nearby attractions, and essential travel tips.
Holy, the island of gods, where peace and beauty applaud. Dreams awake and spirits soar, magic lives forevermore. Magic lives forevermore.
Address and accessibility. Sekumpul Waterfall is tucked away in the village of Sekumpul, located in the Ulun Regency of North Bali. This region is known for its unspoiled beauty, far from the bustling tourist hubs of the south. Reaching Sekumpul is part of the adventure. It's about a 2.5-hour drive from Ubud or a 3-hour drive from Seminyak. The roads leading here take you through Bali's picturesque countryside, passing traditional villages and rice terraces. Once you arrive at the parking area, be prepared for a trek. The journey down to the waterfall takes around 30 to 45 minutes, involving steep paths, stairs, and even crossing shallow streams. But trust us, the reward is well worth the effort. How to get there? There are two main ways to reach Sekumpul Waterfall. Private driver, this is the easiest and most comfortable option, especially if you're coming from South Bali. A private driver for the day costs around 500,000 Indonesian rupiahs to 700,000, and they'll handle all the navigation for you. Feeling adventurous? Renting a scooter is a budget-friendly choice, costing 100,000 Indonesian rupiahs to 150,000 per day. Just make sure you're confident on Bali's winding roads. Entry fee cost. When visiting Sekumpul Waterfall, there are 3 options to choose from, depending on how much you want to explore. Viewpoint only. For just 20,000 Indonesian rupiahs per person, you can enjoy a spectacular view of Sekumpul Waterfall from the designated viewpoint. Medium trekking. At 125,000 Indonesian rupiahs per person, this option includes a guided trek, a donation to the local village, and access to both Sekumpul and hidden waterfalls. It's the ideal choice for most visitors, striking a great balance between ease and adventure. Long trekking. For 200,000 Indonesian rupiahs per person, this option takes you even further. It includes the guided trek, village donation, visits to Sekumpul and hidden waterfalls, and a hike to the stunning triple falls of Fiji waterfall. If you're up for a challenge, this is the ultimate way to experience all the natural beauty the area has to offer. What to see and do. Sekumpul Waterfall is often called Bali's most beautiful waterfall, and for good reason. Here's what you can do when you arrive. Marvel at the main waterfall, which stands over 80 meters tall, surrounded by smaller cascades. Take stunning photos. Sekumpul is a dream for photographers and Instagram lovers. Cool off with a dip in the natural pools at the base of the falls. The water is cold, refreshing, and totally worth it. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Sekumpul Waterfall is during the dry season, which runs from April to October. During this time, the trails are less slippery, and the weather is ideal for hiking. However, if you want to see the waterfalls at their most powerful, consider visiting during the early wet season in November or December. Just be prepared for more challenging trekking conditions. To beat the crowds, plan to arrive early in the morning. Not only will you have the place almost to yourself, but the morning light also makes the waterfalls look even more magical. Nearby attractions. If you're visiting Sekumpul, make the most of your trip by exploring some nearby attractions. Banyumala Twin Waterfall. Located about an hour away, this hidden gem features twin cascades surrounded by pristine jungle. Handara Gate. A stunning Balinese gate framed by lush mountains. Handara Gate is a popular spot for photos and a symbol of Bali's cultural beauty. Ulun Danu Beratan Temple. A serene water temple set on the shores of Lake Beratan, just a 1.5-hour drive away. These spots make for a perfect itinerary when you're exploring North Bali. Travel tips. Before you head out to Sekumpul Waterfall, here are some tips to make your visit as smooth as possible. Wear proper shoes. The trails can be steep and slippery, so sturdy, non-slip footwear is a must. Pack light. Carry only the essentials: water, snacks, a camera, and maybe a raincoat during the wet season. Hire a guide. The trek can be tricky to navigate, and having a guide ensures a safe and informative experience. Start early. Arriving early not only avoids the heat, but also lets you enjoy the waterfalls without crowds. With these tips in mind, you'll be ready to fully embrace the beauty and adventure of Sekumpul Waterfall. And that's our travel guide to Sekumpul Waterfall. We hope this inspires you to explore this incredible destination on your next Bali adventure. If you have any questions or need more tips, drop a comment below. Until next time, happy exploring!
Trees whisper secrets of the past. A world so old it's built to last. But the moon's in vibrant glow. Totems rise from